Ladies and gentlemen, I'm Jeff Teague, salesperson with Fred Anderson Toyota in Raleigh, and your complete car buying resource. There are many choices, many dilemmas in life. Do you like dogs or cats better? Do you like pudding or jello better? Do you like Richie or Fonzie better? What about the Beatles versus the Stones? Today's poll question, write down your favorite rock band of all time. I've been listening to a lot of Beatles, a lot of Led Zeppelin, The Rain Song, While My Guitar Gently Weeps. Next dilemma, do you like the 2019 Camry XLE better or the XSE? Let's choose. Front end comparison. First of all, I always say before we tell the differences, we should talk about what these things have in common here. They both have Toyota safety sense, so they both got radars behind the Toyota symbol. They've got cameras in the windshield pointing outward. They're watching lanes and other cars. So you've got pre-collision system with pedestrian detection during the daytime, lane departure alert with steering assist that kind of nudges you back into your lane before you cross into traffic or go into a ditch, automatic high beams, and also radar cruise control. XSE for the sporty side of life. First of all, LED headlights with LED daytime running lights integrated in there. The housing, it's a smoke tint to add to the sportiness. Now the grille, that's one of the philosophical differences between the two competitors today. This has a gloss black wire mesh honeycomb style grille, and then it's got a silver accent piece here. These black accent pieces, I always say they would be great places to have had fog lights. If you're someone who picks the XLE, then you like the luxury side of things. It has LED headlights, fully integrated, LED daytime running lights here, does not have a smoked tint to it. Then the grille, this has a horizontal slatted grille similar to what the LE has. It's a bright gray metallic finish here to it. And then it has a color keyed accent bar down here. Remember on the XSE, that's going to be a silver one. One of the biggest things people like to talk about when choosing a car model is wheel size and appearance. So if you go with the XLE, you're going to have 18-inch silver finished alloy wheels. And if you go with the XSE, you're going to get 19-inch machine finished alloy wheels with the black and silver accents. Here's the XLE again and XSE in the house. Here's the side profile of XSE, 19-inch alloy wheels, turn signal indicators in the side mirrors, also comes standard with blind spot monitor, smart key push button start, and smart key opening on the driver and the passenger side, as well as in the trunk. Notice the black accent piece as it goes into the tail light here. The rocker panel, it extends out a little bit further than XLE for looks and also aerodynamics. And then I picked both XLE and XSE to have the panoramic glass roof as an option on it. It goes all the way to the back, so you can have light all the way to the back seat. It opens up halfway. Wow, what do we have over here, mate? We've got Jeff's 18 Camry XLE. It's gorgeous, but very dangerous. The XLE here with the 18-inch rims, turn signal indicators, and it also has blind spot monitor. Then it has smart key, color key, door handles here. And the gas tank on both of the vehicles, it's 16.0 gallons. In comparison, no accent pieces by the tail light. Gas tank is on the driver's side. The rocker panel, it still extends, but at the back, it doesn't extend as far as the XSE. Panoramic glass roof. The roof is panoramic. Or something. Isn't that how the song goes? And then it has blind spot monitor right there. Fun fact about the Camry, there were so many different choices for mid-size sedans, yet this is the best-selling mid-size sedan in America for the last 16 straight years. That is incredible, guys. After this review, these cars are racing at Thunder Road. Now the XLE, LED taillights, backup camera hidden underneath the shelf here, no rear spoiler. It has a black accent piece under the bumper here, and then it has single exhaust with a chrome finish tip. And then the XSE, it has a color keyed rear spoiler, just like you see in the SE as well. Backup camera hidden here. Then notice the color keyed black accents here and the dark gray accent strip below. It also has dual exhaust with quad chrome tips. Which one do you like mo better? Now it's time for performance comparison. There are lots of similarities and then a few differences. Both of the vehicles have pneumatic lifts here instead of a prop rod. Hood blanket here for a little bit of soundproofing. This is a 2.5 liter dynamic force dual overhead cam, 4-cylinder engine. It has 203 horsepower in the XLE, 184 foot-pounds of torque. Transmission, it's a direct shift, 8-speed automatic transmission, so very, very smooth gliding acceleration between 0 and your top speed. The suspension, in the front, it's independent McPherson struts. In the back, it's multi-link suspension, and Toyota's been going that way with a lot of their sedans. I encourage everybody to get out and try one of these Camrys because it's very, very responsive, tight cornering when you're going around turns a little bit faster than you should, and then it rides so smooth, so quiet on the highways. The XSE, this has also a 2.5 liter dynamic force dual overhead cam 4-cylinder engine, but it delivers 206 horsepower, 186 foot-pounds of torque. Now the suspension, this is a Sport Tune suspension, so it has Sport Tune shock absorbers and springs, so it gives you that sporty performance that you've been craving, sort of like a dog that's craving bacon strips. Bacon, 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 bacon. Camry, 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 Camry. I'm out of here. In order to be the man, you gotta beat the man. Woo! Woo! Let's compare the interiors. First of all, the XSE here. It has sport leather trimmed seats. Not Softex, leather. Fits 3 people comfortably. Lots of leg room. Plenty of headroom. You can see the panoramic glass roof there. We'll open that up in just a sec. Seat pockets for iPads, books, things like that. A nice, soft, comfy armrest for road trips. And then notice there are spots here for child safety latches all the way across, so you can fit 3 car seats and boosters, or a combination of all those, very comfortably. I forgot to mention it, but rear air vents in both cars. Here's the interior looking from the back seat. This is also available in black. Notice the metal accent piece here. This coloring is in ash interior here. This is the 8-inch Entune Audio Plus multimedia screen here. Sporty instrument cluster. Hey look, there's somebody's tripod out there. What? From the passenger vantage point, a lot of times people want to know what's going on with the passenger seat. Is it power? So yes, in the Camry XSE 4-cylinder or 6-cylinder, it goes forward, backward. It also goes up and down. You can twist it. And then this is for the back of the seat. Notice the perforated seats here with the color keyed stitching. And then the metal accent bar there. From the driver's side, power driver seat with lumbar controls. Leather wrapped steering wheel. Then we've got automatic high beams, traction control on and off, trunk release, gas release. Steering wheel controls very easy to maneuver around. Very sporty instrument cluster, as you would expect on an XSE. 7-inch multi-information display. I'll just go up and down it so you can see what kind of information you might see on it. What do you guys think of the red accent colors of the XSE? Storage compartment has 2 charging USBs. Then we've got different driving modes. You can have eco mode for better gas mileage, normal driving mode, and then we've got sport mode for more responsive performance, brake hold and electronic parking brake, multi-stage heated seats for driver and passenger, and then it has standard wireless charging pad, Qi as we call it, Qi, Qi, yeah, Qi. That's how you turn it on. Just set your compatible phone up there. And then we've also got the 12-volt circular port, USB, and little iPod jack. Has the push button start. Then we've got dual temperature controls. If we unsync it, just like that. And this right here is Entune Audio Plus. It's standard on the XSE 4-cylinder. This one here has 8-inch touchscreen, Bluetooth, satellite radio, access to Toyota's Entune app suite here, so you can get Scout GPS. But maybe more importantly here, it does have Apple CarPlay standard on it. Turn that on. And then you can get access to Waze, navigation, Google Maps, iPhone Maps. You've got everything right there at your own disposal. And then up top, top shelf liquor. It has auto-dimming rear view mirror with home link, so you can program 3 different garage door opening systems here. Lighted vanity mirror. We can do all sorts of things with that. And then for the passenger, so you can check everything out that needs to be checked at nighttime. All right, I want to show you these little LED lights up here. They're kind of nifty, and they definitely provide more intense lighting at night. Standard safety connect on every trim level of Camry, as well as Wi-Fi connect, so you can set up hotspots in your car. You do have to set up a subscription with Verizon. Now this is the panoramic roof right there. Let's open it up. A lot of people want to know, how far does this actually open up? So it goes about halfway to the front half, or maybe 2/3 of the way if we're using proper fractions. Here's the XLE interior. Notice the bisque or beige interior. It's like a two-tone. Quite a bit of legroom here, but the seats are at different levels of reclining, so you can see how that frees up or takes away some legroom and knee room space. Perforated seats here. Also has the rear air vents. Our dealership adds these double USB ports, or the factory can do it right there so that people in the back can charge. Has seat back pockets. And then just like the XSE, nice soft armrest for people, and it still has those safety latches. Here's the XLE interior. The accent piece, instead of being a metallic, it's going to be what Toyota calls tiger eye. It's the eye of the tiger. You don't want me to sing that. But anyway, has the 8-inch touchscreen. The instrument cluster is going to be different, not red, but it's going to be more luxury white, I guess you can say. Notice on these leather seats here, the brown accent strip there. So if you get beige seats, you're going to have the brown accent. Just like on the XSE, it has power passenger seat. And then it also has the tiger eye. It's hard to take the name Tiger Eye seriously. Seriously. Check it out. Power driver seat with lumbar support. Very similar to the XSE in a lot of ways. Has a leather wrapped steering wheel, shift knob, same charging ports in the console, heated seats, wireless charging. Show you a different angle of panoramic roof here. And then what I'll do is I'm gonna open it up so you can see how it slides and looks from the outside. Very sporty looking. That's cool. Here's the Camry XSE window sticker, made in Georgetown, Kentucky. I was there. It's amazing. It's its own city. Look at these perfect safety ratings. Perfect. Gas mileage, 32 combined, 28 in the city, 39 in the highway. Standard equipment on the left from the factory, because it's an XSE 4-cylinder. It does have the panoramic glass roof on it. And when you get the special color, the supersonic red, it does add $395 just like any pearl paint would. Then this is optional equipment that was added at the regional port, and it has a retail price of $32,500. Here's the XLE, Georgetown, Kentucky, of course, super white, perfect safety ratings, gas mileage 32 combined. Standard equipment from the factory. It does have the panoramic glass roof because it's not a pearl paint or the supersonic red. Does not have that $395 surcharge. Optional equipment that was added. And then $31,700 is the MSRP. Thanks so much for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I worked hard on it. Now write down in the comment section, do you like the XSE or the XLE? And then also write down what some of your favorite bands are. It'll be fun to kind of share, pick and choose. I'm writing down Beatles, Led Zeppelin, I love Queen. By the way, Bohemian Rhapsody, one of the best movies you'll see. If you haven't seen it, go check it out. Now also go check out toyotajeff.com. You can order your parts and accessories for your Toyotas on there. It's very easy to do. Thanks everyone for your orders that you've placed in the last week. And I'll see you next time! Remember, if you're in the North Carolina area looking for a new Toyota, call me, Jeff Teague at Fred Anderson Toyota. It'll be the best experience you've ever had buying a car.